How to install and set up PasswordFree for Shopify. Hello, I'm Olga, lead business analyst at PasswordFree. Today, I'm going to show you how to install and set up PasswordFree app for your store to enable the passwordless authentication and registration. Click the Install button on the app listing page. Confirm install. You'll see then an installation confirmation message. To set up the PasswordFree plugin, follow the instructions on the banner. Start with Customer Settings. Open Settings. Select Customer Accounts. Then make sure the Show Login Links toggle is enabled and choose the Legacy type of customer accounts. Then go back to PasswordFree page of your store and click Enable PasswordFree. You will be redirected to the App Embeds section of your store, where you should activate the PasswordFree toggle. Turn on the toggle and set the settings. Then go back to PasswordFree page of your store. Now your PasswordFree is ready for work. Now you have successfully installed and set up PasswordFree app for your store. Now your buyers can create an account in a user-friendly, safe, passwordless way, log in without typing a password. Enjoy your passwordless authentication for just $4.99 per month.